We are the UK's leading supplier of multi-brand commercial vehicle diagnostics. Our gel test product saves operators thousands in repair and downtime costs by allowing you to perform those main dealer functions across all commercial vehicles. Gel test comes fully loaded with a database containing both technical information, component locations, and wiring diagrams for advanced troubleshooting. Since 2005, we've supplied the best diagnostic products backed up with industry-leading, UK-based vehicle and IT support. With 16 years of experience, our highly skilled technicians can help you with the most complex of vehicle or IT issues through remote assistance. Our product functionality includes reading and deleting of error codes, displaying and graphing of live and nominal vehicle data, adjustments of vehicle settings, system checks and component actuations, programming of ECUs, and linked guided diagnosis. Eclipse have supplied thousands of operators in the UK, including Sapphire Vehicle Rental, Reva's Fleet Solutions, Pullman Fleet, First Bus, Arriva, National Express and Calagas. If you're interested in more information or require an on-site demonstration with your local area manager, please reach out on the details provided. Thanks for watching.